everybody, I'm Janelle from Yarn Necklaces, and today I have a really fun unboxing for you guys. I bought a whole bunch of yarn from Ice Yarns, and I can't wait to go through it with you. So most of the yarn is going to be ladder yarn, which is what I make most of my jewelry out of, including this necklace I have on. And then I also bought a few other types of yarn. One is called Rockstar, and I purchased that one before. It's pretty cool. And then the other one is called Universe, which is completely new to me, but it looks similar to Rockstar. So we'll take a look at both of those. So let me get started. I have two big boxes here. So let's just start with, most of this is ladder yarn on top. So this one here is Patriot. And this one has kind of a red, blue, white, and a little bit of gold on it. So this is a fun color. And I won't take out all of the colors because that's going to take a long time, but this one is called Silver, and basically it's almost white, but it has a little bit of like a gray tone to it, and so I just call it Silver. This is one of my favorites. This one is called Rainbow. This one has a whole bunch of different colors on it. So we've got like a red, yellow, like a light green, a light blue, and then kind of like a purpley blue. So this one's like a really pretty color. It goes with a lot of different things. So when I was selling my necklaces a lot at craft shows, people would always buy this color. Like I always have to have a whole bunch of this color. It's one of my best sellers. And we have another rainbow. This one I call Autumn. And it's just kind of like autumn type colors. We've got red, orange, and yellow. This one is Springtime. And this one has all pastel colors in it. It's got green, yellow, and pink, and kind of a little bit of orange in there. And this one is actually my niece's favorite color. So she really liked this one. And then this one is Grayscale. This is like a mixture of black, gray, and white. And I was actually out of this color, so I'm super excited to have it back. This is a popular one because it pretty much goes with everything. So, and since I make jewelry out of this, you know, people are like wearing it like on a bracelet or a necklace, you know, so something that goes with everything is always good. And another one of those. We got some duplicates in here, so I'll just take these out. And this one is similar to Patriot, but it's called Denim, and they've actually changed this color slightly since I started buying it. It used to be like this red part here, used to be a little bit more burgundy-ish, but now it's a little bit more red. So just a slightly different color, but still pretty much the same color they started with. So I just kept the name I named them, because I actually do name all of my colors. So if I get a new color in, I have to think of a name for it. I think it just makes it more fun and just easy to remember, like, oh, my favorite color is rainbow or whatever, you know. So we got a lot of that denim color. I'll take all those out. And this one is called Red Velvet. And basically because it's red and it's got like the black edging like most of them do. And then I have two of my new kinds of yarn. So this one here, I'll take this out so we can see it. This one is green, and it's the Rockstar type of yarn that I was telling you guys about. And it's like kind of like a dark green, and it has some shine to it. So if you can see it in the light, kind of has like a little shimmery. And it's called, yeah, Rockstar Black Green. And it may even have like what it's made out of. I know it's like super soft. So it says 19% Merino wool and 70% polyamide and 11% acrylic. So it's like a really soft yarn. I think it'd be nice for a sweater or something, like if you wanted to knit up or crochet a sweater, or even a scarf. It'd be really pretty. It has that nice shimmer to it. And then the other one, this one is Universe, which I thought it was pretty similar to the Rockstar. I should probably compare the two side to side. This one, ooh, it has a really nice shine to it. I hope you guys can see how shiny it is. And I love this color. My favorite color is purple. So this one has kind of like a purple and kind of like a pinky purple and a light purple, like all mixed together. And it's also really soft, just like the Rockstar. And it is made out of 19% wool, 11% acrylic, and 70% polyamide. So that one is similar to this one. Is that the same as this one? Let's check it out. Yep, actually the same. Actually, this one is Merino wool. This one just says wool as far as like the 19%. So I don't know if that's makes a difference or not. I'm not really a person who buys wool a lot. So if you are, just leave a comment below and let me know what's the difference between wool or Merino wool, or if there is a difference. So yeah, if you look at them close like next to each other, this one does seem like it might be a little bit thinner. Like if I do this, I think the green one looks a little bit thinner, not by much though. So, and of course this skein is a lot bigger than this one. I think it's like double in size. This one has 100 grams and 230 meters. This one has 50 grams and 115 meters. So, so yeah, they probably are about the same size then, because that's right at half. But anyways, so that's those. I do have a few more colors that I did purchase in these types, so we'll get to those eventually. And what else do we have in here? This color here is called Chocolate Raspberry, and it has kind of like a burgundy color, a gray, and a white, and a little bit of brown. I guess that's where I got the chocolate from. I named this quite a while ago, so I'm looking at it now like, why did I name it that? But that's the name, so there it goes. And let's see this one. This one is called Jungle. So this one has a green, kind of a darker green, light green, a yellow, tan, and orange. So kind of a fun color there. This one I call Land and Sea. It says it has like blue and white and brown and green. So it kind of has the blue for the water and then like a green and brown for the land. So it's kind of fun. And we have something else. Oh yes, this is one of my favorites. They've been making this one for a long time. This is called Fresh Flowers. And this one is pink, orange, yellow, and green, like mixed together. So I like all the multicolors, so I end up, of course, love this one. So it's definitely a springtime color. A little bit different than springtime. I have springtime down here. I'll compare it with springtime. Springtime is a little bit lighter, so it has more of a pastel. This Fresh Flowers here is more of a brighter color. And this one here is Vanilla. Probably not my favorite because it's just kind of boring to me, but if you just need something that's like off-white and plain, like maybe you're just making like a shawl for somebody, it would probably go with everything. So it's still a good color, just not something that I'm like, oh, that's gorgeous, you know. And then we have one that's like white. This one is, let's see, I have two different whites. This one is the regular yarn. Yeah, this one is called Snowflake, and just all white, nothing too exciting. And anything else? Oh yeah, and we got Solid Black, and this one is also the regular yarn. Yeah, regular yarn. So this one is called Midnight. And we have one more of our new yarn. This is Universe. And this is like Silver Black. So this one is really pretty. It's kind of a mixture of silver and black. So you can kind of see the shine on it. And it's just super soft, so nice. And I think everything else in here is stuff I've already shown you, so we'll go to the next box. So this one here is called Pinkalicious Sparkle, and this one is a mini ladder glitz. So the difference between the ladder and the mini ladder is the spaces in between the little cross section, and the mini ladder will just have a smaller little space. So it'll be about like half an inch or so, and then the regular ladder yarn will be about an inch. So it'll just have more of those little, the mini ladder will have more of those little cross sections. So if you're making a necklace, like this one is actually, this one is called Sandcastle Sparkle, and it's a mini ladder. So it'll have kind of a thicker necklace, like if you're crocheting the necklaces, because it has more space, or not, like more little sections. So if that makes any sense. If it doesn't, let me know in the comments below. But so with this one, it has sparkle. So that little, I don't know if you can see it, but it has like a little silver thread kind of going through it, which makes it sparkly. And it's almost like a little tinsel thread. So it's really pretty. And anything that you see on my website that has sparkle will have that little thread going through it. Now sometimes, like if it's like the black one, it won't be silver, it'll be black. But in most cases, it's a silver thread. This one here is called Daydream Sparkle, and it's kind of like an orchid color with a little bit of beige in it, and it also has that silvery thread going through it. This one is Cheerful Sparkle, and this is a really popular one for the little girls. Like I make a lot of bracelets out of this one and put like a little butterfly charm or dolphin or whatever they want on them, and this is a real fun color for little girls. They love it. This one here is Black Beauty Sparkle. So kind of how I was saying before, like most sparkles have that silver thread. This one here is more like a black, like sparkly thread. So I don't know if you can see it in the lighting, but it does have that sparkle to it. But it's more of a black thread in it. And this one I call Avocado. It's just like a solid green, like a light green color. This one here is Cobalt Blue Sparkle. It also has that silver sparkly thread, and just like a solid, almost like a royal blue color, but I call it Cobalt Blue because I did have a royal blue like back in the day, like probably, I don't know, like 5 or 6 years ago. It was a little bit darker than this one. So if somebody had that royal blue from before, I didn't want them to get confused, like thinking this is the exact same color. So I had to rename it to something else. And this one here is just Pinkalicious. So you saw the Pinkalicious Sparkle just a few minutes ago, but this one is just Pinkalicious No Sparkle. So you can also get most of the mini yarn colors in sparkle or no sparkle, so depending on what you want. This one here is Pomegranate Sparkle, and it's kind of like a not really burgundy, I guess you'd call it burgundy, like a wine type color, and it has like a lighter pink and a medium pinky, I don't know what you'd call that, like salmon maybe, not really orangey though. Hard to explain, but yeah, it's a pretty color though. I like this one, kind of just like a little variegated brick red color, I guess you'd call it. And we got a few more of those Universe yarns. This one I'm excited to see. This one is really pretty. So this one here, it has kind of a dark blue, a light blue, an olive green, and kind of a little bit of a lighter green, of course mixed with black, and a really nice like shine to it. Very pretty. I really like this one. this one is another Rockstar, and it's just a solid black. Kind of curious as to how sparkly this is. It does have some shine to it. There's like a piece of lint there. But yeah, a little bit of shine. Doesn't seem to have as much shine as some of the other Rockstars, but still really, really soft and really nice. And we also have another Universe one. This one is red and black. And the red is, I wouldn't say it's like a normal like Christmas red. It's kind of a pinky red, but still very pretty. I like it. See, what have I not shown you guys yet? Oh, we have another Rockstar one. Oh, bag's broken, but that happens sometimes. So this one is Rockstar Light Camel, and it kind of has a little bit of a gold shine to that. Oh, how can I forget? This is one of my best sellers. Actually, it probably is my best seller. This one is Sweetheart Sparkle, and it's kind of like a rainbow of colors. Let me get it out of here. This one has kind of like a bright pink, bright orange, and yellow and green. Actually, 2 shades of green, blue and purple. So it's got like every color of the rainbow, and it also has sparkle. So it's a really fun color, and this is also a really good seller when I make my jewelry. And just a couple more. This one here is just kind of a solid light gray, or I guess that's light gray, sort of light to medium gray. And I call this one Sterling. So this would be a nice one, like if you just needed something in just a solid color, like something neutral. This may be the very last one. Oh, I have one more I can show you. This one here, solid orange. So I have a lot of people buying like this yarn and maybe the blue yarn for like school colors. People like to like mix the colors together and do like, you know, like for your school or whatever. So this is a good orange for that. And I also have a solid red here. And this one I do think is sparkle. Yeah, this one also has sparkle on it, but it also is probably like a red sparkle because it doesn't have that silver to it. So it kind of, yeah, it looks like more of a red sparkle mixed in. So it's just a little, just subtle, but very pretty. And this has been a really popular one for people like making like Christmas gifts and things like that. So that is all I have for you guys today. So I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you did, give me a thumbs up and hope you're having a great day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.